I gotta go to the washroom. Do not touch the monkey, okay? This is important. Listen, it's just my good luck charm, right? Every test I've brought it to was an easy 100.
He is absolutely obsessed with this thing.
Not even joking, I've seen him feed it at lunch and bring it to the park.
To be honest, I think he tucks it into bed at night.
I hate it.
I don't bring it everywhere, alright? It's... Tell me, where'd you put the monkey? Monkey?
It's not there. I mean, we did get him into this mess, so it's kind of our responsibility to save him. Come on.
Now, here comes the music.
Wait. Hold on a second. Listen, I know it may look like I'm in the wrong right now, but at least that stupid monkey's gone. Ah!